Dear viewers, today I am going to show you how to install Gen coding for Notepad++. Look here, there is no any menu named Gen coding. After installing these plugins, you will be able to see the menu Gen coding here. I'm going to download it from when I started writing Gen coding, the suggestion has appeared on the screen and I am clicking on Gen coding for Notepad++. And I am clicking on the first URL of the result and then click on this link. Our download has been completed and I am clicking on this little icon, then clicking on show in folder, and I am cutting it from here and pasting it on the desktop. And I have already installed WinRAR so that my icon has been this color. If you don't have installed WinRAR, you must install WinRAR to extract it. And I have extract here, that means it extract on the desktop the same location, and I should copy these two files, npp scripting and npp scripting, but not read me text, and I am cutting it and opening my computer, then C drive, then program files, then notepad plus plus, then plugins folder, and at last I'm pasting it here and continue, continue, then closing this folder and closing notepad plus plus, and I'm restarting notepad plus plus, and I'm looking here gen coding is appearing. Now my gen code will work for notepad plus plus. To test it, just write HTML clone 5, then Control E. Wow, my HTML code has written with Gen code, and I will discuss more about Gen coding, how to code with Gen coding in my next tutorial. Thanks everybody for watching my tutorial, and never forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.